In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the Looker Studio language in our updated 2025 guide. It's a straightforward process, but having a clear understanding of each step will make things even easier for you. So, let's dive right in. To begin, the first thing you'll need to do is head over to Looker Studio. Simply open up your preferred web browser and navigate to Looker Studio's website. This is your starting point for changing any settings, including language preferences. Once you're in Looker Studio, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll find a question mark icon, which represents the help options. Clicking on this icon will open a drop-down menu filled with various helpful resources and links to enhance your Looker Studio experience. After you click the help options, the next step is to look for the menu item labeled New Features. This section keeps you updated with the latest functionalities that have been introduced to the platform. Clicking on it will not only show you what's new, but it's also the pathway to adjusting settings like language preferences. Now, after selecting new features, our focus shifts again to the top right of your screen. Here, you'll find an icon that looks like a globe or a small flag representing the language settings. This icon is what you need to click next. It's designed to be intuitive, guiding you to the right options for personalizing your Looker Studio experience. With the language icon active, you'll see a variety of language options available for you to choose from. The platform supports a wide range of languages, making it convenient for users from different parts of the world to customize the interface according to their preferences. Browse through the list and find the language you are most comfortable with. Once you have found your desired language, click on it. Your Looker Studio interface will then update to reflect your new language choice. This change should take effect almost immediately, providing you with a seamless transition into your preferred language setting. It's that simple. And there you have it, a complete guide to changing the language in Looker Studio, updated for 2025. Remember, having your interface in a language that feels intuitive to you can greatly enhance your workflow and productivity. If you ever need to change it again, you can follow these same steps. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.